Previously on Gunpla note. So today we're gonna finish all the panel lines, and this time it will be the black and enamel paint. You might want to do it like one at a time, because if it stay like too long, it will be a little bit hard for us to take the extra paint. Or you can use gray instead of black, just lighter color, so you won't show that dramatic. Hello everybody, this is Art Note. So yeah, here we are again, the grand finale for the Nu Gundam, and today we're just simply assemble everything and see how well we have done so far. I mean, yeah, spent a lot of time to do this, so yeah, let's see the outcome. And just don't forget to get your software piece out and you just follow the instruction manual, and hopefully, finger crossed, like everything goes well. Right? Let's just get started. now we finish our assemble. You can see now it's looking pretty nice. But overall, I would say the white is leaning to the blue side a little bit too much. But as we can see from the instruction manual, they use the blue light source now. I getting the same effect, but I'm using the white light source. When getting a little closer, you can see, yeah, it's getting closer, but still, I think the blue shade is a little bit more dominant than I expected. But overall, I'm pretty satisfied with the outcome, and we still have like extra parts we can play around. For this one, it's pretty interesting. If you replace this part with this part, then you can make the wind like the symmetry, you know. Yeah, I saw someone did it on the internet. And compared to our last project, you can see the difference between like blue shade and the black shade. So yeah, it got a kind of different feeling, but yeah, it's interesting to choose like whatever effect you want to achieve. Right? So yeah, I'll probably take more photos after shooting this video. But yeah, that's all for today's session. And thank you once again. Thank you for participating in the whole process. I really appreciate that, and I'm having a lot of fun. So the next one I will do something like differently, even though it's still Gunpla, but we'll go back in time like way before these two comes out. I will be doing the very first the Gundam series, and it will not be Gundam, trust me. It will be kind of original in some way, because they didn't bring out the model. It only showed once in one video game, so you can guess what I'm going to do next. But that will be the end of the Gunpla trilogy. Gunpla the movie. Alright, that's all for Nu Gundam project. If you enjoy this, please drop a like, leave a comment, and I will see you all in the next video. Thank you.